So originally, Bindi and I were supposed to have a honeymoon, but with everything going on, that quickly changed. You have been working so hard on what was supposed to be our honeymoon, so I'd say you've earned a little honeymoon break
Oh my
10
gosh,
times
I love
over.
it. I can't believe you did this.
Yeah.
When Bindi asked me to do that, I was, so honoured and excited and nervous at the same time.
So I really wanted Dad to be a big part of the day, so I'm excited to be able to incorporate him throughout the ceremony and the reception, and I think it's going to be really special.